Watch me work! Kids, give Miss Thompson a hand for coming to work today. Hello. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm setting up a calendar-ish in which we're going to be talking about every Wednesday during the school day or during the school year and what we're doing in our professional learning communities. So I don't have to type in all these dates myself, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize it. So I'm going to put what here. Okay, so I've already typed in the very first date, which is August 4th, but I want in this column every Wednesday to show up, so I'm going to go ahead and hit equals, and then I'm going to say add 7 to this. So first thing I have to do is type 82, and then I'm going to tell it plus 7. And then I'm going to make sure that's correct, so A2 plus 7 equals. All right, so now it's by week. And now I should theoretically just be able to drag this down. Oh, look it, and it's going to go. So let me go ahead and, how many Wednesdays are there, you think, in the school year? Probably close to 36. I think there's 36 weeks, so let's see what happens there. Not correct. Some of those weeks are holidays, so there's going to be more Wednesdays. So I'm just going to go ahead and go here. That's too much, but we'll get rid of those. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I just want this to automatically highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over. All right, so this is a teacher workday. And I'm just going to type in the 3 things that we're going to have, which are CERD, and then CERD, ILT, and then CERD extended. These are just notes to myself, but I'm just typing the main because I want to make sure that this is going to work first. So I want this to conditionally format, so I want these to show up highlighted if they depends on what I put on them. So I'm going to click B, and then I'm going to B. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go to format, conditional formatting, and it's going to bring up a little box that's off of the screen. So you can't see it. Not sure why this is so tiny. I could make this bigger. Oh, because that's 80%. No wonder. Okay, so now I'm going to pick these rules. So I want if B1 is exactly teacher workday, I want it to be, let's go with that color. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to click done. I'm going to create another rule. So if it is exactly CERD, then I'm going to choose that one. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty. And then if it is exactly CERD ILT, then I want this to be golden. I didn't choose green because that's our rival color, and so that would be a bad thing. Our rival school's color. And then the last one is CERD EXT. And I'm going to go ahead and make that one red. Okay, so there we go. Done. Now these aren't the actual dates, but I just want to be able to say, okay, if the 6th is a teacher workday, I want it to go ahead and put that in. So I just went ahead. I want it to automatically color, so I just went ahead and made it that way to begin with, because then it's all done and I don't have to go back and do it again. So now I'm going to go through and actually put in the dates for what I want. So that's how you can easily create a calendar in Google Sheets.
Hey Beth, you coming to work tomorrow?